my channel. Got my new vlogging camera. A little Canon N2 that I had to order from South Korea, because now, you know, they don't let you bring the big DSLRs in places because they say it's a professional camera. So whatever, this one's really teeny. Now I'm super hungry, so me and the hubby are off to this place called Six Corners Cafe. And it's hold on, I have the address. Where is it? 6 Corners. If I could type it in. There we go. It is it's considered Southwest Portland. So the address is 7000 Southwest Beaverton Hillsdale Highway. Zip code is 97225. And so it's a cafe, and it does breakfast and brunch. Never been there, but I'm starving. They have 4 stars in the Yelp app. So yeah, I'm excited to try this place. I'm always ready to try something new, and I'm starving. So yeah. Catch you guys when we get there. What's going on in this lane is traffic, man. Traffic. You people don't know how to drive. See?
Oh.
What?
It's construction.
Freaking construction, man. People move out the way. I'm hungry.
Everybody's gotta come over in this lane.
Fraggles. Flipping Fraggle. Oh no. Because you're old. 7,000. Thank you. Please seat yourself at a clean table. Oh, orange juice. Orange juice. Thank you.
Water. That's fine.
6 Corners. Let's see, what are we trying?
It's so
Ooh, west of the Cascade. Asparagus, mushroom, spinach, and Swiss topped with hollandaise. Yummy. Served with toast. I think that's what I want. So they have a traditional breakfast omelet, which is what I'm getting, the west of the Cascade. It's all my favorite stuff in it. I think I'm gonna get the pancakes. Haven't had pancakes in a while. course, I'm gonna have them do egg whites. It's pretty cool. It's like a little small diner. You can't really see me. Hold on. It's like a little small diner. It's really cozy. I like it. Seats by the window. Nice little wall paintings. It's literally on 6 corners, so you have to be careful how you get in here. I like these seats. These seats are dope. Cool seats. Pictures. Got a little bar up there where you can eat. Or your pickup tables, and it's self-seating. So, yeah. My orange juice. And I'm waiting for my food so I can be unhangry. I'll be back with my food. Thanks. You said she'll never be here. So look, our food came out so quick. Yeah. It's huge. Look at that. That's a plate. Look how big that plate is. Right. Ginormous. Get that hot sauce. Lord, just thank you for about to see. Pure fast food, finish my body, and just let me pray. Amen. Let's see. Let's see what it tastes like. This is a huge omelet. Is it good? Need seasoning. Can I see that? Thank you. Give me some salt. Pepper. Ouch, hurt my finger.
After I finish with that interview, I'm taking a serious nap. Wake up around 6.
Yummy. That's how I eat all my eggs, with hot sauce. Pretty good. Like, I had to come back and show you guys. I cut the omelet on the inside, in the middle, and it is completely full. Like, they did not skimp on the filling. Haha, that's how an omelet should be. Okay, but I eat the whole thing. I'm a lightweight. Only can eat like a third of my pancake. I'm a super lightweight. I need a box. This will be dinner. Breakfast for dinner. Dinner for breakfast. Whatever. So let's see the damage. I think we did pretty good. for my Western Cascade was $11.95 plus $1.50 for the egg whites and the sausage. And you saw how big all that was. And Larry's was $9.75. So we did 97 or 27.10. So I think that was well worth it. I mean, that was really big portions for all that. So yeah, here. Well worth it. And I'll be back again. Check this out. 7,000 Beaverton Hillsdale Highway. And it's a Six Corners Cafe. And they're open until like 2:30, I believe. So yeah. I'm so full, and I'll be taking my food home to eat later on. So, later. Bye. Time to go home for a nappy poo. Napsters. Napsters. Hurry up. I'm ready. Thank you. Have a good one.